Our stretch and flex exercise of the week is going to be a half kneeling, row, and press. Now you can either perform this exercise with a cable machine or a light resistance band. This exercise is meant to get full scapular movement and range of motion, so please do not use heavy or intense weight with this exercise. You're going to start off in a half kneeling position. Say for instance, your right leg is up, your left arm will be the one holding the band or cable. Step 1, you want to make sure that your core is nice and braced and your down knee is right underneath your hip. You're going to row the band or cable towards yourself, pulling that shoulder blade back. You will then rotate the band or cable upwards, so making sure that you are not jerking the movement, but working that rotator cuff, and then pressing up at the top. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top, where you will then retrace your steps and return back to the starting position. This exercise is great for those with shoulder impingements or rotator cuff issues and can help with range of motion, stability, and shoulder strength.